All right, so I'm having some requests for videos of the Trans Am. So I'm gonna do a quick walk around, show you guys some of the little problem areas with the paint. This is an older paint job. So you've got some chips, little crack there. I think the car was painted probably over 10 years ago. LS engine, swapped in with all BRP hot rods, all Corvette accessories. Big aluminum radiator, huge electric fans, all new brake system on it. As far as paint damage, got a little chip here in the door where the fender had some misalignment and it caught the door. Somebody asked about rust. Got a little bit down here at the bottom of the door. Right there. We open the door. See a little bit of repair there. Quick video of the interior. Dakota digital gauges. The Kenwood sound system, JBL speakers. No tears at all in the interior. T-tops, everything seals really well. All new rubbers everywhere. Car does have LED tail lights. Like I said, man, it's not a $100,000 car. It's not a museum car. It's not a show car. It's just a good driver. You know, looks great, shows great. This rocker panel does show some work. Not gonna lie. I haven't dug into it or anything like that. Like I said, I bought it like this. I do have receipts that add up to about $60,000 in work on the car. And those will come with the car. All the doors shut solid. Down here, got a little bit of rust bubbles down here. You see it there? Brand new AC compressor. Using the factory AC system. Works great. Transmission shifts nice, firm. All new electrical system. Used 1 gauge heavy wire everywhere for the electrical system. We'll fire it up. Trying to keep the video as short as possible for transfer. You can hear the aircon kicking on already. Has an MSD distributor. I'm sorry, distributor. MSD starter. Has an MSD starter. Great oil pressure. The car will sit at 180 degrees all day long. Once she comes up to temperature, she'll sit at 180 all day long. Dakota digital gauges. Really nice. 1,501 miles. That's how long it's been since we did the motor. 1,500 miles is all I've put on it. Has a power trunk. Trunk does have a little bit of runs here in the paint. The trunk's solid. Kenwood sound system. I've checked under the package tray, solid as can be. You can see the red oxide. It's got a new rubber on the trunk, so you got to slam it a little bit harder. It's got all new rubbers. You can hear the Texas speed cam. Sounds really nice. It's a stage 1, I think. It's what they. It's what my son did the work at our shop, Hub City Hot Rods. I wanted it to be streetable, drivable, not too rowdy, so we went with a nice, just a nice sounding camshaft. All right, that's it. Like I said, it's 1978 Trans Am, Starlight Black, all the gold graphics. This is the way the car came from the factory. As you noticed, I included the build sheet on it. It's about as nice a TA as you're gonna find for the money. I am taking serious offers. You know, I'm asking $49.95. I think that's a great price for an LS swapped Trans Am that you can practically drive anywhere. The Bandit Run is coming up. Jump in and go, man. Grab your girl and take off. You know, you got air cons, so she won't be complaining. You know how that goes. All original wheels. Really nice, solid car. Hate to sell it, but I'm moving on to something else. I'm looking for a Tri-5 Chevy. So there she is, man. Send me any more messages or any questions, and I'll be happy to answer them for you. All right. Oh, one last thing. I had brought this up to somebody else. Right here, we've got some bubbling in the paint. I spoke to another guy. He told me that's due to the prep. When they prepped it, they didn't do a great job. So you'll see a little bit of bubbling in the paint there. But that's it. That's all I found. So anyway, again, if you have any questions, any comments, feel free to give me a call. Let me know.